Okay, here,
Hey.
Hanna. Oh, no, you could
Is
go
this
first
on?
and then
Yeah.
Yep.
In the 80s and 90s, most of the people who used computers, they had some kind of clue that what is the code, like what they are using, and also many of them were like making code themselves. But nowadays, like most of the people in Western world are using computers, but they don't have any clue that what is in the computer and what is the code. So what do you think that would be said in for children in elementary school that could make them think that they also can make their own tools?
Great
Question.
So, I'm of the opinion that one of the great strengths we have as humans, as a species, is how good we are at specializing. And if you think about all the progress we've largely made it because certain people specialize in certain things and can do it much more efficiently that way. And I absolutely think that is true when it comes to things like being very technical and doing programming at a low level. I do not believe in a world where every child should be taught to program. I just don't think that makes sense. That said, what I do think makes tons of sense is to make sure that every child who has the capacity to really be passionate about programming and be one of those people who can specialize in this, those people should be encouraged, and they should have the possibility of noticing that, hey, this is really good and this is really cool. So I love the projects like Raspberry Pi that make just cheap computers available, because if you have successful projects, I'm not saying the Raspberry Pi is going to be successful. I love the concept of it, and let's see how it actually works out. But I think it's very important to have cheap literally throwaway computers that allow people to tinker. And if that means that 99 of 100 Raspberry Pis will basically gather dust because nobody uses them, that's fine if one of them made somebody realize, hey, this is cool, and started programming. So that's kind of my opinion, that I don't think we should try to make everybody program, but we should try to make sure that everybody who has an aptitude for programming should have the ability to notice and be noticed.